May saber kami. Idaw. Idaw. Number mo dahil? 8. 1C91. Okay na. Lagyan mo dito. Hindi ba si...
Player, please seated in front of the stage. Also, the player, please in front of the stage.
Jersey number 30, 48 to shoot. To jersey number 7. To jersey number 4 for 2. No good. The ball by jersey number 1. To goal jersey number 19. Start the shoot. No good. The ball by jersey number 1 to jersey number 9. Start the shoot. No good. The ball by jersey number 13 to jersey number 0. For 2, no good. The ball by jersey number 91 to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 to 5. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 0. 14 to shoot. To jersey number 16, no good. The ball by jersey number 1. To jersey number 19. Back to jersey number 1. Try to shoot. 2 points. Jersey number 7. To jersey number 13 for 2. No good. The ball. Foul jersey number 16. Pushing foul and short.
Number 16, that is your first personal foul, first of the team.
Jersey number 1 to jersey number 91, 40 to shoot. No good. The ball by jersey number 19 to jersey number 9. Start to shoot. No good. Ball by jersey number 0 to jersey number 7. For 2, no good. The ball by jersey. Same ball. Fourteen to shoot. They have an away shot. Fourteen to shoot. 4 minutes. 5 to shoot. No good. The ball by jersey number 16 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 for 2. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 7. 14 to shoot, jersey number 1 to jersey number 91. 10 to shoot to jersey number 9. Back to jersey number 1. 5. No good. Ibaba jersey number 16. To jersey number 4. To jersey number 7 for 2. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 7. Jersey number 91. 3 minutes, 14 to shoot. To jersey number 1. To jersey number 19. Foul. Jersey number 0. Holding foul.
Delicious. First personal foul, second of the team.
Third to shoot, jersey number 9. Intercepted jersey number 4 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, foul.
Foul number 16. Number 16, that is your first personal foul, first of the team.
First serve, basket. Last serve. Basket again. Jersey number 91. 14 to shoot. The same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Ten. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 91. No good. Baba jersey number 16. And that's jersey number 91 to jersey number. Foul. Jersey number 13, holding foul.
Number 13, that is your first personal foul, third of the team.
To shoot. Jersey number 2 points, jersey number 8. 2 minutes. To shoot. 2 points. To shoot. Jersey number 9, intercept by jersey number 7. To jersey number 16. Simon. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 0. 14 to shoot. Back to jersey number 7 for 3. No good. Baba jersey number 45. So, ang violation. To shoot. No good. Baba jersey number 19. No good. Baba jersey number 16 to jersey number 0. Simon, 52 seconds remaining time, 52 seconds. Fifty, 14 to shoot. No good by Simon. 45 seconds. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 14. Start the shoot. 40. Backline violation. Start the shoot. No good. Baba jersey number 7, 30. Players out of bounds. $25. 20. 14 to shoot. 15. 10 to shoot. Ball jersey number 72 to jersey number 22. 40 to shoot. 3 points, jersey number 22. To shoot. 10. Jersey number 27 for 2. No good by jersey number 22 to jersey number 30. To shoot. Jersey number 24. No good by jersey number 30. To jersey number 72. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 72.
22 to.
6 minutes. To shoot. No good. By jersey number 27. 2 points by jersey number 27. Jersey number 72 to jersey number 22. 14 to shoot to jersey number 30. 10 to shoot to jersey number 22. To jersey number 72. 5 to shoot. 2 points, jersey number 24. Jersey number 17 to jersey number 13. 14 to shoot. No good. Bago jersey number 22 to jersey number 24. 5 minutes. Jersey number 24, 2 points. Jersey number 17 to jersey number 47. 14 to shoot. Intercept by jersey number 22 to jersey number 24. 2 points. Jersey number 24.
I'm out. Reserve.
Jersey number 27 to jersey number 47.
27.
No good. Bound by jersey number 17. No good. Bound by jersey number
13.
foul. Jersey number 72. On foul. Substitution though.
Number 72, that is your first personal foul, first of the team.
First throw, non-contact. Last throw, non-contact again. Football by jersey number 30. Intercept by jersey number 47. Intercept by jersey number 30. To jersey number 22, 4 minutes. To jersey number 32 points. Jersey number 13 to jersey number 17. Back to jersey number 13. Back to jersey number 17. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 27 to jersey number 17. To jersey number 47. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 13 for 2. Basket count, foul, jersey number 30. Blocking foul is yours.
Number 30, Blanco. Number 30, Blanco, that is your first personal foul, second team foul.
Honest throw natin. Back by jersey number 27 to jersey number 2. Back to jersey number 17. To jersey number 2, 14 to shoot. Back to jersey number 17. Intercept by jersey number 22 to jersey number 24. For 2, yes, 2 points. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 27 for 2, no good. Back to jersey number 24. To jersey number 22. To jersey number 30. Intercept by jersey number 5, jersey number 72. Holding foul with yours.
Second personal foul, third of the team.
Substitution. Fourteen to shoot. No good. Foul. Jersey number 27, pushing foul, it's yours.
Number 27 of the net, that's your first personal foul, first of the team.
Fourteen to shoot. 10. Jersey number 30, no good. Baba jersey number 27 to jersey number... Intercept by jersey number 22. 2 minutes. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 11, no good. Baba jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 to jersey number 2. Back to jersey number 13. 14 to shoot. Intercept by jersey number 30. Intercept by jersey number 47 to jersey number 17. 2 points by jersey number 17. By jersey number 22 to jersey number 24. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 22, no good. By jersey number 2 to jersey number 17. To jersey number 27. 14 to shoot. 1 minute. 10 to shoot. 5 to 5. Jersey number 13. 50 seconds. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 30. No good. 20. Shot clock is off. 19 seconds. 15. 10. 5.
Tutos. Meron bang trigo? May trigo ba?
Wala.
Wala. Basta lang, basta yung sa
Ang try ko, dito lang bigay mo.
Saan siya?
Sino yung ano?
Sino ang isa? Ano po? Abela, di ba?
8, 9, 10. Bob! Bob!
Si Jamal na si Becerra, ang 19 sa shoot nila. Ato, 1, 2. Pira ka Becerra, darawa.
14 to shoot.
Meron sa substitute player.
2 points, jersey number 14.
Merong substitute player, rep. Lagay mo lang si Trigo, yung substitute nila. Ano lang, kalitan mo lang si Becerra.
2 points, jersey number
9 nga yung 9 ang substitute. Trigo.
2 points again, jersey number 14. Jersey number 19 to jersey number 21 to jersey number 28. No good. Third second, jersey number 2. To jersey number 21. To jersey number 28. 40 to shoot. 6 minutes. Offensive foul, jersey number 28. Sure.
First personal foul, first of the team.
Trigo yung sir. Yung nila, rotational nila sa men. Trigo, number 9.
40 to shoot. Foul, jersey number 28. Hakim foul, it's yours.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Hand to shoot. Foul. Jersey number 10. Hakim foul, it's yours.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Luis ba?
Hello and good evening. Mayat niyo gabi sa tanan. Short
40
follow-up.
to shoot.
Arista, 2 points. Hernandez to Wanse.
For duty shift.
Marote kick out to Wanse. Wanse drop pass to Hernandez. And we have a whistle there. Foul number 21, Arista, pushing foul.
It's your first personal foul, warning for penalty.
Marote, 2 points, Marote. Becerra,
5 minutes.
Becerra, complete steal by Marote, and we have a foul there for number 19, Becerra.
Sure. First personal foul penalty situation.
Penalty, Team Jimeno.
Your ball pata.
First throw ni Marote, basket count. Nauna nga trailing by 4 points. Make it 3 points. Chasing count na nga. Arista to Becerra. To Becerra.
14 to shoot.
Drop pass.
10.
Becerra, drop pass to Arista. Legal play. There is a legal play that was on par. Wala, rebound, pick up ni
14.
Tuante to Marote, 2 points.
Nagulong kita. Ano ka rin? Nagulong kita.
Ano wala na kalista na pag na-over?
Ano ang 28 mo lang?
14 to shoot.
Wala at ko lang.
Artan, 2 points.
4 minutes.
Joey Arista.
Patlaon na.
14 to shoot.
One set to Marote, jump shot, 2 points. Bobby Marote.
Sabi mo, no?
Patlaona, and we have a whistle. That's a hockey foul for number 14, Marote.
Jersey number 14 is your first personal foul, second team.
Back to the ball game. Good evening, Sir Zamora. And good evening kay Castrago. Patlaona to Becerra.
14 to shoot. 10.
Green, wala. Short. Strip. Offensive rebound ni Lopico, strip. Double team and whistle.
12 seconds to shoot. Ah?
Lopico to Becerra. Alright, warning. Having foul there.
First personal foul,
Lopico to
second team
Becerra.
foul. 10 to shoot.
Oops. Lopico with a Pinoy step, 2 points. Marote.
3 minutes. Warning jersey number 28 for picking a foul.
Marote, wala, rebound, pick up ni Lobrico for na steal ni Becerra to Becerra, and overpass ng pasa, so ball out of bounds. Substitution, Zamora in for Hernandez. Substitution, Raigo. for Becerra. Zamora to Marote. To Wanse.
14 to shoot.
Wanse for 3 points. Wanse. The 3 point is brought to you by Green Ribbon Minimart and MJ24. Lobrico to Traigo.
14 to shoot.
Wala, rebound ni Wanse. And a whistle there. Foul number 19, Becerra. And we have a penalty.
Second personal foul.
Good evening, Sir Arthur Becerra. Sir, good evening. First throw ni Wanse, wala.
What's happening to me?
Second throw, Wanse, yes, 1 point. And 1 point lead for Langa Ball Club. Traigo.
2 minutes.
Becerra, back to Traigo. Traigo for 3. Wala, rebound ni pick up ni Patlaon again. Ball out of bounds. Ball return to backward. Wanse to Tartar, malupitan. To Marote. Wala, rebound. Pick up ni Arista to Becerra. Becerra drop pass and a steal there, but it was a ball out of bounds and ball returned to backward. Deserved substitution for Seahorse.
14 to shoot.
And Stuart. Substitution. Becerra in for Patlaonag.
12 seconds to shoot.
Hindi naman ito, hindi ka makabalik. Zamora to Malupita.
10.
Kick out to Wanse. Wanse speed.
5.
Strip ni Becerra. And we have a, yes, that was a clearly foul number 14.
Warning.
Set yung report.
Live ako tulad.
Number 14, in an sportsmanlike act for fouling to stop progression of the ball. So, 2 withdrawals for Becerra and ball possession for Seahorse Ball Club. First stroke basket. Deadlock of the game. Second throw, yes, basket again, 2 out of 2 and 14-second shot clock. Inbound on a unsportsmanlike area.
14 seconds to shoot.
Becerra, drop pass to Traigo. No, Lobrico to Arista, drop pass to Traigo. 2 points, Traigo. Oh well. Wanse. Drop pass to Tartar. Kick out, nice assist there to Wanse. And 2 points. Wanse assist coming from Malupitan.
15.
Arista to Lobrico. To
14 to shoot.
Becerra.
20 shoot. 14.
Traigo drop pass to Arista. 2 points. Arista assist coming from Traigo.
14.
1 second.
25. 40 to
Pass to
shoot.
Zamora, open
20.
for 3. Wala, rebound ni Malupitan, follow up. Yan ang tira.
Shot clock off.
Gatakilid yung off.
10.
Drop pass to Becerra, open. And we have a whistle. We have a whistle. And a foul number 01, 11. 1 second.
Sure. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty na nga.
1 son.
A second to shoot. Still can receive and take the shot. 1.8 microseconds. Arista! Wala! Ball possession. Seahorse. Guillermas on the inbound to Torre Campo. To this, and we have a foul there, foul number 13.
Jersey number 13, sure. First personal foul, first team foul.
Becerra
14 to shoot.
to Torre Campo.
10.
To Becerra Arthur, back to Torre Campo.
5.
Torre Campo, nice, step through, 2 points. Torre Campo. Marote.
14 to shoot.
Red lang to Unigo but stripped there by Tradition. Pick up ni Galiamas to Torre Campo. To Giliamas.
14.
Giliamas. And still there by Rod Kilio. Rod Kilio drop pass kay Marote and ball will be on Nangabog. Marote to Unigo to
14 to shoot.
Ronquillo
10.
to Marote, wala, short. Rebound by Giliamas. Giliamas forward pass to Sablada. Sablada lays up 2 points. Sablada. Five points lead by
14 to shoot.
Seahorse. Ronquillo
10.
to Unigo, and we have a contact there. Foul number 30, Giliamas.
To jersey number 30, sure. First personal foul, first team foul.
Unigo, hey, to nice. Euro step back, missed the layup, and we have a out of bounds there by Seahorse. Kanugon kang Eurostep ni Sir Ed lang. Nag-ilig lang sa ring. Ron Killiam. Marote speeds to Belgar, back to Ron Killiam. And we have a 3 seconds violation for Nangabol Club. Torre Campo to Becerra for 3. Wala, rebound. Tradition, big, and we have a contact. And we have foul there, number 9, Unigo. Illegal contact to the hand.
Jersey number 9, it's your first personal foul, second team foul.
Tradition, first throw, no basket. Second throw, wala. Rebound ni Unigo. Unigo, Toron Kilio.
14 to shoot.
Cross pass there to Marote. Marote, 2 points. Marote. Torre Campo.
14 to shoot.
Serra. Kick out to Torre Campo.
10.
Drop pass to Giliamas. 2 points. Giliamas. Ronquillo to Marote.
14 to shoot.
Marote kick out to Edlang. Edlang.
10.
Step through. Ay, miss pass there. Na still need the Serra. Torre Campo to Giliamas.
14 to shoot.
Giliamas. Drop pass to Tradition. Strip. And we have a contact. We have foul number 1. Ronquillo.
Jersey number 1, it's your first personal foul, third team foul.
Substitution Lubrico for Becerra. Tradition for out of shooting. First goal. Basket count. Reserve substitution for Nangabal Club. Sub lang, sub. And substitution once in for Sir Edlang to take a rest for a while. Marote. Toronquillo.
14 to
Pass
shoot.
to Marote. 2 points. Marote. 5 points lead by Seahorse. Torre Campo for 3. Wala rebound. Pick up ni Wanse. And the pick up ni Marote. Marote. Diretso block there by Lubrico.
14.
And back pass to Giliamas. Back to Lubrico. Lubrico to Giliamas. Alley-oop kaya and ball out of bounds. Seahorse ball possession. Inbound will be on the end line. Giliamas to Arista. Arista for 2 points. Joey Arista. Nice inbound play there by Seahorse. Tisipaw to Marote to Unigo. Unigo, and that is an offense. Oh. Number 9 offensive foul for Unigo.
Jersey number 9 is your second personal foul, whining for penalty.
Torre Campo to Giliamas.
14 to shoot.
Giliamas for 3. Wala rebound ni Wanse. Wanse to Tisipaw. Drop pass and still there by Torre Campo. Hustle play given to Giliamas to Tradition. Forward pass to Arista. Arista. Drop pass to Giliamas. Back to Arista. Yes! 2 points. Arista as he's coming from Giliamas. What a team effort there by Seahorse. Marote looking for his teammate.
5 minutes.
To Tisipao. To Ronquillo.
40 to shoot.
To Yonigo.
10.
Yonigo double team. Yonigo kick out to Ronquillo. Marote jump shot. Corner. 2 points. Marote. Naga trailing by 7.
40 to shoot.
Torre Campo for 3. Wala rebound ni Wanse. That is 8 rebound on the game. And Tisipao. Counter na naman ang nangato. Marote. Marote. Again, back point. For Marote. Only single person na nag-hakwat ng nangato scoring. Small but terrible. Giliamas back to Torre Campo. Hesitation. And
4 minutes. 40 to shoot.
kick out to Lomrico. Lomrico. 3 back. 3 points. Marvin Lomrico. The 3 points is brought to you by Papans, Lechon Manok, and Liempo. Basta Manok, Papans,
40 to shoot.
Ronquillo,
10.
Papawi, 3 points. Ronquillo. The 3 points is brought to you by Helasan Hardware and Construction Supplies.
40 to
Torre
shoot.
Campo to Giliamas. Giliamas. And we have a contact. And a foul there by number 9, Yonigo. That's a foul substitution. Sir Edlang and Sir Tuwati in. And Hensoli in.
It's your third personal foul.
Julio and Wanse will take rest.
Warning number 9. Set Mandracol.
Warning round number 9 for setback for I call. Substitution. Blanco in for Tradicion and also Traigo in for
Penalty to ref. Penalty situation.
Shooter ang ibaustat. Sige. Nanganaw in a penalty box. First throw ni Giliamas. 1 point for Giliamas. And second free throw will be ready. And the basket count substitution there. Traigo for Giliamas. Wanse to Marote. Tisipao.
40 to shoot.
And Edlang, wala. Rebound by Lupico.
3.
And that's a traveling violation by Lupico. We have a substitution there for Marot. Medyo hindi na kaya. Naglain naman siya. Semilia to Tisipao. Back to Semilia. Tisipao to Semilia. Semilia to Wanse.
10.
Wanse to Tisipao. Wala. Oy. Try go forward pass to Enzole. And we have a contact. Foul there by number 17, Semilia. Just pushing foul.
Jersey number 17, Mitchell. First personal foul.
First thrown in Enzole, no basket. Second row, wala. Pick up rebound in once, and that's his 9th rebound of the game. Semilia to Tisipaw to Edlang. Sir Edlang back to Semilia to Wanse.
10,
Back to Semilia. Semilia drop pass to Edlang.
5,
Edlang recovers. Edlang lays up and one for Edlang. And foul number 30. Hurley Kagawad Blanco.
jersey number 30.
And Edwin.
Jersey number 30 is yours. Second personal foul, second team foul.
3-point play opportunity for Sir Edlang. And substitution even in for Lupico. Layo pang time.
Sir? Accountant yun.
14 to shoot.
Arista.
Sana na lang sa support. Hindi na naman ano.
Tisipaw. Wala. So, to Pato. To Hurley Blanco.
14.
Becerra. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Pick up ni once. That's the 10th rebound of the game. Semilia. Jump shot. Bang! 2 points. Semilia. 2-point lead by Seahorse. Recover pacing na. Pressure. Trigo. Open sa kanya. Trigo. Drop pass to Iman. Wala. Rebound ni once. And this one lays up, and we have an offensive foul there by Edlang.
Jersey number 19 is yours. First personal foul.
Trigo. Double team. Sugat ang pato.
1 minute, 14 to
Pato to
shoot.
Trigo. To Becerra.
10 to
To
shoot.
Blanco. Gatong pato.
50, 5 to shoot.
Gatong pato. Cross pass. And that's a 24 seconds violation. Good hustle defense there by Nanga Borgwap. Once
14,
to Tisipaw.
14 to shoot.
Semilia to 20, jump shot, bang! That's the third deadlock of the game. Pressure there by Nanga. Trigo.
20,
Becerra.
14 to shoot.
Becerra. Running shot. Wala. Rebound ni Tisipaw. To Semilia. Semilia. Wala. Recover ni 20. Jump shot. Bang! Becerra. And that will be it for our third quarter. Second place. Deadlock of the game. This fourth quarter is brought to you by South Curvis Refreshment, South Curvis Coffee and Car Wash, South Curvis Sounds, Veron Trees Collection, and Veron's Barbershop. Tisipaw looking for Unigo. Back to Ana, steal there by Becerra. Lobrico, 2 points. Lobrico. Semilia. And we have a holding foul impeding for number 24, Becerra.
Enson,
Jersey number 20.
Sorry, I mean.
Jersey number 24 is yours. First personal foul, first team foul.
Semilia. To Rod Kilio. Drop pass to Unigo. Unigo stops, fakes, jump shot clock by Tradition, recovered by Unigo to Tisipao, and Stripner, Tradition to Lubrico, back to Tradition, Tradition, still complete by Belgar to Unigo, to Ronquillo bumps, Pulihan ang bola, nagagawa yan na pick up, and we have a holding foul there for number 1, Ronquillo.
Jersey number 1 is your first personal foul.
Second personal foul, first team.
Second personal foul, first team foul.
Torre Campo, to Henzole, to Lubrico, drop pass to Guillermas, back pass, but who's dropping up is Emilia. Emilia now running to Tisipao, and we have a contact. A foul there by Henzole, number 24, hacking foul.
Jersey number 24 is your second personal foul, second team foul.
Tisipao on the inbound to Semilia. Drop pass to Unigo. Unigo, powerful block again by Tradition. That second block of the game. Torre Campo wala. Rebound, and we have a whistle there. Oh, whistle na. May pito. Holding foul there. Number 9. Unigo holding foul for Tradition.
Jersey number 9 is your fourth personal foul, second team foul.
And we have a substitution there for Unigo. Sir Edlam will be in. Tradition to Torre Campo.
14 to shoot.
Torre Campo to Lubrico. Lubrico 3 points. Marvin Lubrico. The 3 points is brought to you by Pelasson Construction and Supplies. Strip recovered and incidental. That's on the foot. Ball will return to backward. Ball out of bounds. And Zole to Torre Campo. Messi. Torre Campo short. Tradition, wala agad Tradition with a second putback. 2 points Tradition. To Semilia, to Belcar. Cross pass to Edlang. Edlang double team.
14 to shoot.
Edlang, strip there by Hensole. Hensole running, layup, 2 points, Hensole. Nice defense effort there by Seahorse. And ball out of bounds. Substitution. Marote and Wansi in. Semilia and Ronquillo will be resting. Nine points lead by Seahorse.
10 to shoot.
Penzolo, wala, rebound, and a holding foul there by number 19, holding foul there by Sir Edlang.
Jersey number 19 is your second personal foul, third team foul.
Guillermas cross inbound to Ensole.
10 to shoot.
Torre Campo to Guillermas. Oh, Ensole kick out to Lubrico, but ball out of bounds. Pressure by Seahorse to Tisipao. Tisipao to Wanse. Double team to Belcar.
14 to shoot.
Belcar to Disipaw to Belcar. And nice drill there by Guillermas to Lobrico. Lobrico, easy 2 points. Good streak. You have to mark for a technical for Marote for unsportsmanlike behavior regarding to the officials. One free throw first for Seahorse.
Sir Bob, one you have, one technical.
May unsportsmanlike na lang nila.
And it counts. And for clarification, we have an early unsportsmanlike foul for Marote.
Correct?
And one technical foul, you will be ejected and stay on your bench. You are requested to leave the court in 5 seconds and be substituted by your teammate. Continue game. Wanse to Wanse. Recovered to
14.
and ball out of bounds there by Duante. Anticipaw, I mean. And Sole.
14 to shoot.
No basket, but for rebound tradition block there by Belcar. Tisipaw. Tisipaw running shot, too strong. Rebound, pick up ni tradition. To Guillermas, cross pass to Ensole. Ensole lays up 2 points. Ensole. Once
14 to shoot.
to Edlam. Back to Belcar, short. Torre Campo to Lubrico. Challenge. Blocked there by Wanse.
14 to shoot. 10.
Guillermas said that is a carrying the ball. Substitution, Unigo in. For Wanse. And that is a foul there by Torre Campo. 22.
Jersey number 22 is your first personal foul, 13 foul.
Ejection last.
14 to shoot.
Spacing by Disipaw.
10.
Watson to Unigo. Unigo drop pass to Belcar. Belcar, wala. Sir Edlang face and we have a contact. And a foul there by Guillermas. Substitution. De La Cruz in for Belcar.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
First throw by Sir Edlang short. Reserve substitution for Ronquillo. Second throw, yes, substitution. And Edlang, Sir Edlang will be changed by Ronquillo. Again, Sergeant Lam will receive reserve for substitution.
14 to shoot.
Enzole pass to Guillemas, kick out to Lobrico, fakes, kick out to Sean, Guillemas, wala, rebounding, Unigo, Ronquillo, forward pass to Toy, foul on substitution, Sir Langin for Once, for Isibaw.
Five minutes.
Lobrico, and we have a contact there for number 91 while the shooter is on flight. That's a pushing foul by number 91.
Jersey number 91, Nature.
First team. Once, 91.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Lobrico, first row basket down. Second throw, no basket. Now not trailing by 14 points. And no basket there, Unigo. Reserve substitution for Nanga. Long pass to Watson.
14.
Recovered by Sir Edam. Sir Edam drives, kick out, and we have a whistle. And a foul there by number 24.
Jersey number 24 is your
Penalty.
penalty situation.
Substitution.
Jersey number 24 is your third personal foul.
Watson will be substituted by Semilia. First goal by Sir Edlam, counted. Second throw, yes. 2 out of 2 for Sir Edlam. Enzole. Lubrito, wala! Rebound! Pick up ni Guillemas, ipagawa pa kay Lubrito, kick out to Enzole! Wala! Guillemas on the follow-up! Semilia. To Sir Edlam. Bandi need to score. De La Cruz, wala! Unigo, shot back again by Tradition!
4 minutes.
Ronquillo back to Unigo. Wala diapon. And sorry, forward pass to Guillemas. And one for Guillemas. Basket count. Foul number 17, Semilia. Sir, si Shana is substitution.
Jersey
Alright.
number 17 is your second personal foul penalty situation.
Substitution again, Melcardi and Arista. Unigo will be taking a seat for a while. Guillemas, yes. 3-point play for Guillemas. Semilia. Forward pass, steal and recovered by Sened Lang to Tisipao. To Sevilla. Ronquillo for 3. Ratos out. And follow by Sened Lang. And we have a whistle. And a foul there by number 2, Lobrico. Illegal contact to the hand. Substitution. Insole.
Jersey number 2, it's your first personal foul penalty.
Sir, observe proper uniform etiquette. Please assist. Insole out.
Full Taylor in penalty situation.
First throw for Sir and down. And basket count.
Ano man yung ligat ng putaran na kanya, no? Garita. Garita.
Napurigisan na.
no?
Kaya
So,
wala
ito
si
upit,
Idlang.
ito na pidi, patong mabatuan.
Wala si Idlang.
Second throw. No basket rebound by Giliamas. Lobrico. Reserve substitution for Seahorse.
14 inches. 10.
Lobrico to Patlaona. Tikaw to Arista. Arista. Here by Ronquillo. Tikaw is Tisipa on the steal. And we have a that is a sportsmanlike foul there by Giliamas. He forgot. Okay, hindi mo ni po natagal na. Sportsmanlike foul for number 30. 2 free throws for Tisipao and a ball possession for Nanga. Saka mga players, saka. Unsportsmanlike foul ang tawag. Dali lang, sir. Hindi na mag-sub. Hindi na mag-sub, sir. Kay papritroon ta na. Papritroon ta. First throw. Ay. Off night ang fourth quarter kang Nanga. Yung ay a lot of free throw missed. And 1 point for Tisipao substitution. Gatong prato for Giliamas. Score is 15 points, trailing ang Nanga. Still we have plenty of room. 3 minutes. Tisipao for 3. Yes! 3-point Tisipao! Maybe that will be the
3 minutes.
and tradition double legal play. And we have bounce, they ball out of bounds. Nanga ball possession. You have a warning for making a foul. Sevilla to Tisipao, looking for his teammate. Tisipao again for 3. Yes! Another 3 points for Tisipao. That was 6-point play. Lobrico, and we have a foul. Back to the ball game.
Penalty tarap.
2 free throws for number 2, Lubrico. Both teams on penalty. Both teams on penalty. First free throw for Lubrico. Wala. Still, we have plenty of time, 2 minutes and 31 seconds for the fourth quarter. Second throw, wala niya. Rebound ni Sir Adlang. To Tisipao, to Sevilla. Counter ang na. To Belcar. Belcar. To Sevilla.
Si Belcar ang pauli.
To Tisipao. Tisipao.
Transition.
Tisipao. Short. Ronquillo. Follow-up line. We have a contact. And we have a foul there. 2 free throws for Ronquillo. Foul number 30, Giliamas.
Jersey number 30, it's your fourth personal foul.
Apat na si Giliamas. Same with Unigo. So bench release Cesar Unigo. First throw ni Ronquillo. Basket count. Second throw for Ronquillo. And again, 2 points all in all. 67-74, 7-point lead by Seahorse. Still we have plenty of time. Last 2 minutes. 7 points ang ginatayin naman. Gilyamas. Arista. Wala. Rebounding and lang. Forward pass. A steal. Oy, na-recover na steal ni Gilyamas. Tradisyon. Oy, steal ni Bisitaw. Forward pass na Etlang. Etlang. Oy, nabuya. Gilyamas. Oy, steal ni Ronquillo. Counter. Ronquillo. Oy, open pass. Oh my God. So possession talaga unforced error. Nugon kang possession. Sayang. Gilyamas to Hensole. To Gilyamas. Dapat sa tradisyon. Shot wala. Rebound pick up. Still have time. Will pop. Oy, nabuyanan. Ball out of bounds. Ball will be stay on. We have a challenge call there called by the Nangati. We have a challenge call for 1 minute and 2 seconds. Ends for the fourth quarter of the game. Last call by the referee, out of bounds of Nanga. And challenge call by Nanga. As we review the game, the result of review is successful. Nanga ball possession, out of bounds. Seahorse ball possession by Nanga, and ball will be on the end line.
Pero signature mo isa. Dalawa to.
Isa receive.
Inbound by Sir Edlang, setting for the last play. Edlang. Hey, Vizcaya still recovered and ball out of bounds. Hensole still have plenty of time. 7 points. It's only 7 points. Arista to Lubrico. Kick out to Gilyamas.
50.
To Lubrico.
Transition.
That's a traveling violation, sir. Clearly a traveling. Semilia to Tisipaw to Semilia to Ronquillo for 3 shots and pick up by Hensole. Forward pass to Lubrico, 2 points. Lubrico and to Semilia to Palcal
30.
to Semilia, jump shot, wala. Top ni Tradisyon. I think that would be it.
20.
Arista, 2 points. Belcar. 2 points, Belcar. And that would be end of the game. Winner, Seahorse. The final score of 78-69. Our best player of the game. Our best player of the game will be Lubrico.
Sir, pa-receive lang, sir.